In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install YouTube tags on Kit. We're going to walk through how to automatically tag people in your Kit account whenever they click on a specific YouTube link. This is really useful if you want to keep track of who's engaging with your video content, so you can follow up with more targeted emails, offers, or recommendations later. First, open Kit and head over to the Automate section. At the top or in the main navigation, look for the option labeled Automate, then click into Rules. This is where you set up simple, if this then that style automations that run in the background for you. Once you're on the rules page, look for the button that lets you create a new rule. It should say something like New Rule with a plus sign next to it. Go ahead and click that. This opens up a fresh rule where you can define what should trigger the rule and what action Kit should take when that trigger happens. For the trigger, you're going to choose Clicks a Link. This tells Kit, whenever someone clicks on a specific link in my emails, I want something to happen. Selecting this option usually brings up a place where you can enter the exact URL you care about. Now, paste in your YouTube URL. This should be the full link to the video you're tracking, exactly as it appears in your browser or as you'll be using it in your emails or campaigns. It's a good idea to give this link a clear, descriptive name so you can recognize it later at a glance. For example, you might call it YouTube Video Click, or something that matches the topic of the video. The name won't be visible to your subscribers. It's just for your own organization inside Kit. Next, set up the action that will happen when someone clicks that YouTube link. Choose the option Add Tag. Tags are labels you can attach to subscribers to describe their interests or behavior. In this case, you can either pick an existing tag from your list or create a new one. For example, you might create a tag like interested in video content, so you know that this person engaged with your video. Clear tags make future segmentation and targeting much easier. Once you've selected or created the tag you want to apply, double-check that your trigger is set to Clicks a Link, that the correct YouTube URL is entered, and that the right tag is chosen. When everything looks good, click Save Rule. From this point on, whenever someone clicks that YouTube link in your Kit emails, they'll automatically be tagged, giving you better insight into who's engaging with your video content and helping you tailor your communication more effectively.